Yes, I do have a YouTube channel. You want to check it out? Yeah, it's called Silence Boy. Yeah, just Silence Boy, like 2 separate words.
Okay.
And it'll pop right up. All right! NastyNathanial out here in Orchid, California. And joining me is Matthew the King. And together, we're going to be conducting a First Amendment audit of Unity of Santa Maria. Yeah, a unity church. Well, hopefully they'll all be united and respect our constitutionally protected right to film what we can see in a public space. Because if they don't, well, I might have to sick MERB on them. So yeah, folks, this is it. This is the Unity Church of Santa Maria here in Orchid, California. For those of you who aren't familiar with this area, Orchid pretty much is, well, I mean, it is and it isn't Santa Maria. I mean, a lot of places in Orchid use a Santa Maria address, but Orchid is its own community outside of the city limits. You know, this is actually an unincorporated community. But either way, whether it's in Orchid or Santa Maria or, hell, even West Hollywood, this is Unity Church. And part of the reason we decided to do this church is because Matthew the King was telling me a story about how he was here, well, not here, you know, in the church parking lot, but he was parked out on the street. He was just chilling. I think he was checking some messages on his phone or something, and he, you know, it was real hot outside, kind of like how it is right now. And he parked under, you know, there was a tree that had some shade, and he was just, you know, chilling in his car, you know, doing whatever he was doing on his phone, and some groundskeeper came out and didn't like him being parked in front of the church, and took a, you know, one of those blowers and started blowing dry leaves and debris all over his car. And I guess the guy was a real Class A jerk. So, which is funny because if you read their website, they claim they accept everyone. Like that, regardless of who you are, you know, I guess you'll be accepted here at the Unity Church of Santa Maria. Well, apparently not if you park in front of their church. If you park in front of their church, I guess you're not accepted. I guess they're gonna, you know, blow debris all over your car and use that as a means to try to run you off. I don't know. Doesn't seem too Christian-like to me. Right, Graham? Alright, first customer of the audit? Oh, it's a Jeep. Oh no. Oh no. Hey, friendly smile from her. Well, you know, the last time we saw a Jeep pull into a church parking lot, this happened. And we got a very slow-moving Toyota Camry. There's a little bit of hesitation. Are they deciding whether they should go to this church or maybe they should go to the I don't know, maybe they're former Scientologists. Maybe they just left the Church of Scientology and they're having hesitations about getting involved in another religious organization. Hi.
Hi. Oh, we're so lucky. We're so honored here. How did we get chosen?
Oh, well, I have a fetish for churches, and I just wanted to, you know, come here. I think I saw something, you know, online about it. And,
welcome.
Yeah, we just want to film the building and the cars and all that good groovy stuff.
Well, shoot away.
Oh, well, thank you. I appreciate that. Oh, ma'am, real quick, I just have a question. Do you know Parker Osmond?
Tucker?
Parker Osmond.
You know the name Tucker really.
No, Parker Osmond with a P. No. Yeah. Oh, okay.
No, Parker Osmond. But I can ask some of my buddies.
Yeah, that'd be great.
Yeah.
And you know, I want to tell you, you remind me of Shirley Jones from the Partridge Family. The Partridge Family.
You know what? I take that as a compliment.
Oh, it is. Yeah, I used to love that show.
pretty happy person. Wasn't
Yeah.
she?
Oh, she was. Yeah.
Oh, here, I'm in the way here.
Well, thanks for being nice and.
Hey, well, we're in there working. We're gonna have hot dogs and stuff, and I go,
Ooh, hot dogs.
The object of someone's.
Okay.
Well,
Thank you for being nice.
Happy 4th of July.
Yeah, happy 4th. God bless.
God bless.
Well, that was nice. See, folks, that's the way it should be. Friendly and, you know, no one's making false accusations of intimidating people or nothing. Just a friendly, how you doing? And although she didn't invite me in for hot dogs, that would have, I don't know, I'll give her an A-. I mean, I probably would have given her an A+ if she would have invited me in for the hot dogs, but no, I'm just being silly. Oh, looks like we got old hot dog Harry there. He's manning the grill. He's getting ready to cook up some delicious hot dogs, or well, hopefully they'll be delicious. Hopefully he won't burn them, but yeah, hopefully they'll be serving up some margaritas as well. I mean, hot dogs go really well with margaritas. Well, for me, I mean, anything goes good with a margarita. I think you guys all know that. Oh, can back. Oh yeah, we got a, oh yeah, there it is. Can back. Well, that must be can back Cindy over there. Yeah, well, I don't know. Maybe they're not so welcoming after all. But then again, it's just a can back. I mean, it's not like, you know, I mean, we have a right to stand out here and take photos. So I guess they do as well. Alright, round 2. Alright. Well, you can come closer if you want. I mean, I don't bite. I mean, Matthew might, but I definitely don't. I don't have fangs. Hi! How you doing? How's your day going?
Why are you taking pictures?
Just doing a story about the church.
Excuse me?
Just doing a story about the church. How you doing?
Story about the church for who?
Well, for me, yeah, because I'm recording. Yeah.
Newspaper or something, or just?
No, just doing it. Just myself. How's your day going? Yeah, there's nothing to worry about. We don't mean any harm. We're just interested and just want to film the church. How's your day going today?
Are you going to come on the church property later?
Am I gonna what?
I said, are you going to come talk to people later?
You know, I wasn't planning on coming on the property, but
Okay.
yeah. Have a good day, sir. Well, I think we're going to go ahead and wrap this audit up. Matthew the King and myself, we've been here for a bit, and if you stuck around for the whole thing, you saw what happened. We got a little bit of action from some of the parishioners here at the Unity Church. Even got to meet Shirley Jones from the Partridge Family. You know, I was a fan of that show when I was a kid. Never thought I'd get to meet old Mom, who sang along. But all in all, I think I'm going to give the Unity Church here a pass. I mean, everyone was pretty friendly. Got a can back, but I don't think that really qualifies as a fail. The one guy, the last guy who came out, actually he was the only guy who came out. He didn't really seem to dig it too much, but you know, he didn't try to violate our rights. He didn't try to tell us we couldn't. He didn't try to stop us in any way. And we've been hanging out for a while now, and no police have shown up. So all in all, I'm going to call this a pass. But as always, if you feel differently, please say so in your comments. NastyNathanial and Matthew the King signing off. I think we're going to go suck back a few margaritas. So until next time, may the audits or the margaritas be with you. Thanks for watching, everyone. Appreciate the support.